Now, week on week, you send in a lot of questions asking about which car or bike you should buy. Well, this is the space where we get Adil on board to shed some light on your queries. Hi Adil, how are you doing? Our first question is from Ankit in Delhi. Now, he says there's a lot of new cars that are coming out with dual clutch gearboxes. Now, he wants to know what is the difference between an automatic and a dual clutch gearbox, and which one is better in terms of maintenance and mileage.
Ankit, the very fact remains that earlier automatic gearboxes were all of the torque converter kind, whereas this with the dual clutch is more mechanical, electromechanical in essence, where you make do with the lay shafts being engaged very positively, and the shift from one cog to the other is done seamlessly. Dual clutch gearboxes still give you the ability to shift manually as well, just not less like an automatic where you really step on the gas and that's about it. There is a lot of control on a DSG gearbox which you get vis-a-vis the traditional slushmatics which you had for automatic gearboxes. But what you also get is quicker cog swapping, and there is definitely a slight element of fuel efficiency which creeps into the picture.
Alright, our next question is from Gurmeet Maan in Pathankot. Now, he's heard a lot of hype about the Maruti Suzuki Ertiga. He says it looks smaller than the Innova. He wants to know what segment will it be competing in, and will it be a better alternative to the Innova?
The Innova is definitely the big benchmark for this car, but the Ertiga is not directly targeted against the Innova. It can't be. It is smaller, much more compact. It may be a 7-seater, but it does its operations in a different spectrum of the car segments. It's lower down, comes with smaller engines, but smaller doesn't mean lesser. It does just wonderfully well for people who are upgrading from the low-end saloons, the Swift Desire in a sense, if you are taking it into the Indigo CS, the Tata Indigo CS. That sort of a segment of sedan you're taking to, and it's going on upwards.
All right, Adil, thanks a lot for that. Always a pleasure having you on the show.